If you want your AI voice to actually shout in ElevenLabs, the most precise way to control emotion and volume is by using V3 models. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your AI shout using a simple text format that works with delivery directions so you can create louder, more expressive voice output without guessing. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI and voiceover tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you're using an ElevenLabs V3 model. That part matters because V3 models are designed for more precise control over delivery, tone, and expression. If you're using a different model, you may not get the same shouting effect, or the voice may not interpret the instruction as accurately. So before you start typing your script, confirm that your voice generation settings are set to V3. Now here's the key trick. To make the AI shout, you simply enclose the delivery direction in square brackets right before the text you want spoken with. That emotion, so instead of just typing the line normally, you type a direction like, followed by the sentence. For example, get out of the way. That tells the model how to deliver the line, and it helps create a much more intense, louder performance. The reason this works so well is because the brackets act like performance instructions. You're not just feeding the AI words to read, you're guiding the delivery. That means you can experiment with different expressions and combine them with shouting when needed. For instance, you might use or other delivery style directions depending on the exact tone you want. The important thing is to keep the instruction inside square brackets so the model can interpret it clearly. If the result is too strong, too soft, or not dramatic enough, adjust the line and test again. Sometimes a small change in wording can make a big difference in how the voice sounds. You can also try moving the direction closer to the exact part of the sentence you want emphasized, especially if only one word or phrase needs to feel like a shout. That gives you more control over the pacing and intensity of the output. A good workflow is to write a short line first, generate the voice, listen back, and then refine it. If the shout sounds flat, try rephrasing the sentence or using a clearer delivery cue. If it sounds too aggressive, reduce the amount of text inside the shouted line or test a different voice. This kind of iteration is the fastest way to get a result that sounds natural while still being powerful. And remember, the goal here is not just making the voice louder, it's making the delivery believable and useful for your project. Whether you're creating dramatic narration, character dialogue, gaming content, or attention-grabbing voiceovers, using V3 models with square bracket directions gives you a much better chance of getting the exact emotional effect you want. So to recap, the simplest way to make your AI shout in ElevenLabs is to use a V3 model and type your delivery instruction in square brackets before the line. Like, get out of the way. That's the core method, and once you get used to it, you can use it to add much more emotion and control to your AI voice projects. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.